Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is another video. I'm going to be showing you a product that completely changes everything on our BMW, and I'm going to show you why that is and why this product is going to change everything for a lot of you guys looking for a device like this. So I don't want to speak anymore. I'm very excited about this product, so let's get onto it.
Let me tell you about the life of a trap boy really out here trying to kill it. Trapping bricks so they float like pigeons, trying to stay low like a midget, I'm really not kidding. OT trips and stinky kicks and my balls are itching. I hit up the petrol station and fill it, and I ain't stopping till this pack is finished. Too many calls. So
as you'll see here, we're in the boot area of the BMW 6V&12V. We're going to go ahead and lift all this up and reveal the battery, which is right here. And then what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to run tests on the battery. So the battery is located right here on the BMW 6V&12V, and this is the same for the 6 Series. It'll be located in the same position on the E6. It's located on the right hand side. We're going to go ahead and try this new device out, but I'm really excited to actually try this out, and I'm going to show you why once we get it set up. So if you see here, this is the new device we're going to be testing today. This is the BTMOBILeite. Now, if many of you guys don't know, it's made by TOPDON. This company are working with me non-stop at the moment. They have a lot of products, and no, I'm not just advertising it based on them. You guys know, no matter who they are, if the product is crap, it's crap, and they know that as well. They sent me another product and I emailed them, and I couldn't even put the video up because I wouldn't let none of you guys buy it. And I told them, they told me not to do the video, and they sent me this one because of the fact I told them the product I couldn't end up selling to you guys because of how crap it was. Therefore, they sent me this review. I'm quite excited to try it because, as you see, it's a Bluetooth mobile battery tester. We're going to sell it up. I've already got the app on my phone. It's very simple. It's just BT Mobile. You just put it in the App Store, and as you see, it's on Google Store and the App Store, and you'll be able to test all your car. So we're going to plug it up. We're going to open up the box, and then we're going to run the test on it. So as you see here, inside the box, it's quite compact, and it comes with, obviously, the instruction booklet. You've got your clips, which are really good. TOPDON make really good clips for battery testers, not like other manufacturers. These ones are quite solid, and if you can see the difference in the quality, these ones will actually grab and not let go. You've also got the MOBILeite system right there, which is really good as well. Look how tiny it is. We're just going to take it out of the box, and if you see there, it just comes out very easily with the crocodile clips. One side out, you get the other side out as well, which is right there. If you see there, it's now fully out. So what we're going to go ahead and do is plug this up to the battery, and I'll show you how it works on the phone. It is a mobile device, so we'll go ahead and just see how it works. So we're going to locate the battery, which is right here, and then we're going to put the terminals on, which is right here. And if you see, we've now got the lights on the device itself. And this is why this device is a game changer. You can literally leave the device sitting there, get your phone out, go in the car and run your test. So if you see here, we're going to go to the app on my phone, which is going to be BT Mobile. So you'll see the app right here, and this is the app you're going to want to download from the App Store. You're going to want to just let it load up, and as you see there, it's already connected. It connects very, very fast. I was very impressed with how quick it connected. So you'll see the green steady indicator, so you'll now see the blue indicators come on for the Bluetooth. You just want to click that one off. And as you see there, you've already got battery test, system test, and you've got all other tests. You can do charging tests and cranking tests and whatever else. So we're going to run a battery test. So we'll go on this one right here, and we'll click start. We're going to select the battery. It'll be a regular flooded battery. We're going to do it in cold GB, and I believe this battery is, so this battery is 110 amps an hour. So we'll just click that right there, and we'll just run the test. And if you guys see there, it will run a test wirelessly. Now this is really good because right now you could actually walk away, and if you see there, the battery's at 100%. It gives you the results very, very quickly. Tells you everything you need to know. You can also share the data. Tells you the battery is good and capable of holding charge. Test voltage, battery voltage, internal resistance. It tells you it immediately. Now that's not just all it does, guys. It will do a system test as well. If you see here, so we'll run a system test. We'll select the battery. We'll just select next. We'll do the battery test. Regular flooded. Cold, we'll do it in GB again. And we'll do it in 110 amps. And if you see there, it does cover for every country. Every country is different. We'll run the test again. So it's just testing. everything. And if you see there, comes back state of health is good, 100% again, which is on the battery test. Now, if we want to do a charging test, we can easily go into that. We'll run the charging test, turn off all accessories, have it has engine speed for 5 seconds, which we're not going to do. But you see there the capabilities of this product. We've got a lot of different things we can do. You can see there's my account and everything like that. We've got the timing test and the test reports, and I believe, look, if we go here, we can get all the test reports that we just previously done. So you've got all the test reports inside here as well. You've got access to all your old test reports, so you can check it or you can show anyone if you need to. You can also do a charging test. You can do a cranking test as well on the system, which is right there. You see cranking test, and you can start that as it's cranking over and it'll run a test as well. But all in all, this device is very, very good to use. And like I said, if you are in the market to buy one, I believe this is the best one to actually buy, because as you see, you can literally just walk away from the car and just go and test the car and leave that in the car and just walk away, instead of having to sit there with your device in your hand and having to test it. I know it only takes 5 minutes, but therefore you don't want to have to do that. Also, it doesn't leave you with the report on the tester itself, where this one does in the app. So like I said, you've got all your reports here on the test reports. You go here and then you've got your test reports to show you anything that previously, so you won't need to actually be connected to the device, where the normal handheld ones don't give you that and you would have to write it down, or you'd have to buy the old school printout one which prints you out a copy to test the battery. This is a very, very handy device, and this actually changes the way we're going to be testing our batteries. Everything is very, very good with this device. Like I say, I'm going to be using it more often. It just makes life easier. Plug it up, walk away. You can leave it on the car, and if you're going in the house, you can just test the battery from the inside of your house. So it makes perfect sense. So TOPDON, well done again, and Daisy, thank you for sending this to me. This device is brilliant and I do recommend it. It's going to change the way we test our batteries, and also on the cranking tests and the system tests. Okay guys, so as you've seen there, I've just shown you the TOPDON BTMOBILElite smart battery tester. Now this is a great device that's finally been brought onto the market, and I believe a lot of you will probably be happy to see something like this, especially with what the app has built inside it, i.e. that you're able to keep your test reports, because as I said to you, when you do them on them other ones, them handheld ones, you can see the battery state, but you can't keep a report. At least on this, you can keep a report, so if you forget, you can go back and see. This is a great addition to the TOPDON devices that they're bringing out daily, and I believe this is a great purchase for anyone looking to run tests on their batteries, or if you're looking for a battery tester for your car. The fact that it's Bluetooth, that you can walk away, you can go and sit in the car while you're testing the battery, you don't have to get wet, you can actually just leave this, plug it up and go. You don't have to sit there with the car, and it's on your phone, so you can do it from anywhere. It's a great feature. No more needing to plug it up and stand there in the back of the car, in the boot, or in the trunk, or in the front of the bonnet testing your batteries anymore. You can buy this device, and this device will do everything you need to do. So it is a great product to actually have. I will link it in the description below. It's not expensive to buy. I believe it's only £50 to actually buy this, so it's really cheap, and for what it does, it is so worth the price. As I said to you guys, I'm not here to promote bad products whatsoever. I know a lot of you are going to think that. They sent me this one, and this one is a game changer for many people, and I hope you guys actually go ahead and actually just look at it or even buy it, because this is the first that I've seen for a Bluetooth mobile tester, and it's actually a really good device. It works flawlessly. Like I said, out of the box, it connects straight away to the Bluetooth within seconds, and it just works. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. I just want to give Daisy a big shout out for actually sending this to me. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and if you want to go and check it out, it will be linked in the description below and also be pinned to the comments. Thank you very much, and goodbye.